pain, gentle steam, a soft refrain. Whisking dreams in a porcelain bowl, warmth expanding, filling my soul. Oh, the scent of bread, so sweet and deep, secrets that the old walls keep. A simple tune, a tender grace, cooking joy in this quiet place. Herbs from garden, green and bright, whispered stories in soft light. Every chop and every stir, making magic, love will conquer. Oh, the scent of bread, so sweet and deep, secrets that the old walls keep. A simple tune, a tender grace, cooking joy in this quiet place. Little pleasures day by day, chasing shadows far away. Just the hum of life so true, sharing moments, me and you. The golden sunset paints the floor. I feel the peace I've waited for. The kettle sing a soft refrain, while silence washes out the rain. Oh, home is where the heart can rest. Of all the places, it's the best. With cinnamon and dreams so deep, the promises we always keep. The clock is ticking on the wall. The shadows dance across the hall. Is glowing soft and bright to welcome in the quiet night. Oh, home is where the heart can rest. Of all the places, it's the best. With cinnamon and dreams so deep, promises we always keep. Always keep. So deep. the flower falls like winter snow. The kitchen clock is ticking slow. Golden honey, wooden spoon, dusty light of afternoon, softly stirring hand in hand. Time is like the shifting sand, warmth of bread and sugar sweet. In this quiet small retreat, the scent of cinnamon. The day is almost done. A silver cup, a faded frame, whispers of a quiet